Khalas, it's finished. Let's just go to the questions with online, please.
Someone is asking, if I join two people in the prayer and they are in sujood, should I join on the left of the imam as the other is on the right?
If I'm coming to an imam and he's what, only the only leader, no, nobody?
There's two people, the imam and someone's following him, and they're both in sujood. Should I join?
There's an imam and two people behind him. They can't be beside him, it has to be behind him.
It says if I join two people in prayer and they are in sujood.
Okay, so the imam has one person with him.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this person is trying to imagine such a situation. Okay, so this person, what happened is that the imam is in his prostration and he's got one person with him on his right. That person is in his prostration. He's going to come. If they were in a standing up position, no problem. Both of them will go what? Back and behind the imam. But now, you don't expect the one who's prostrating to crawl backwards. So he thinks now he put a question now is not going to be answered. No, easy. You prostrate next to them, next to that person which is next to the imam. Okay? And after these get up, both of you go behind. Solve the problem, alhamdulillah. Don't you think there's no answer for any question? There is an answer. But if that didn't happen, why do you ask for something which is not really going to happen? Okay? So if you have prostrated next to him and then both of you get back, inshallah, no problem, bi'idhnillah. Because imagine he prostrated and it was the last prostration before tashahhud. So if you went behind, you're going to make the tashahhud on your own. So you're going to finish the prayer on your own. But you'll be beside the imam. If there's another rak'ah, both of you will go. وسبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.